Hi, medical terminology students. I'm Claire, one of the librarians at GCC, and I am making this video to show you how to use a database called CINAHL to find case studies for your case study projects. I'm here at the main GCC webpage, gcc.mass.edu. You'll notice that the library is one of the options in the top menu bar. I'm going to click on where it says Neiman Watson Library. If you don't yet have a GCC library card, you can get one by going to this Get a Library Card link off to the right-hand side of the library menu bar. There's a form there, and if you fill it out and press submit, that will go to the library and one of us will email you a library card number. Up here at the top of the screen, there's something called Discovery Search. That'll be really helpful most of the time when you want to find articles for different research projects. But for this, for finding case studies, that Discovery Search is not so good at that. So instead, you're going to go to this big dark blue databases button, which you will find on basically all the library pages. You can also get to the databases page from the library drop-down menu where it says databases. When we click on databases, we're taken to a page with a big, long alphabetical list of all the different research databases we have. The one that's going to be helpful for you is called CINAHL, C-I-N-A-H-L. It's a acronym. When you start typing in the letters, you'll see that CINAHL pops up. So I'm going to click on that. Because I'm on campus, it's taking me directly to the database, but when you try to get to it from off campus, you will first be taken to a page that looks like this, where you have to log in using your library card number, which is the number that you were emailed without any spaces, and also your password, which if you haven't changed it, is your last name in all capital letters. Here on the CINAHL search page, I'm going to show you a few different search limiters, things that you can check and enter that will make it easier to find case studies. The first one of these is clicking this full text box. CINAHL indexes a lot more articles than it actually has in full text. So if you don't click that, you're gonna be kind of frustrated because you're gonna see all sorts of articles that you can't actually access right now. The second thing I'm going to do is go down here where it says publication type. These are all the different types of articles that you can find in an academic journal. But for this, we're going to scroll down to where it says case study and select that. The last thing we're going to do is select the page number. Because for this project, if you'll remember, Professor Dodge wants you to use case studies that only have about 1.5 pages to 2 pages of text, and they might also have a page or so of references. I'm going to set this as less than 4 pages, and hopefully that's going to bring me to case studies that are the proper length. I can't quite remember whether there is a date range that you're supposed to use, whether it's something like 3 years or the last 5 years, maybe not. But if there is, you would put that date range years from start year to end year, and the end year would always be the current year. So right now, 2021. Finally, I'm going to go up here to the search box and click in a search term that has something to do with the body system that you're studying right now. So I'm going to search for pancreatitis. And I can't quite remember how to spell that, but luckily you'll notice that when I start typing, the database will suggest different terms that start with the letters that I'm typing in. So here, pancreatitis is the top one. I'm going to search for that. And there are 165 different results that fit those criteria, that are in full text, that are case studies, and that are less than 4 pages long. If I click on the article title for this one, I will get to a page that has an abstract for the article. Now, the abstract is a short summary of the article, and it's a good idea to read these. They help you figure out, number one, whether it's something you're actually interested in, and number two, whether it's written at a level that you find understandable. These articles are written by specialists for other specialists, so a lot of times they're written in really technical language. And again, it's a good idea to read the abstract and see if you can understand what it's talking about. Off to the right, you can see if you click on where it says cite, you can get a formatted citation for this article. So if Professor Dodge asks you to cite your sources in APA format, this list has all sorts of different citation formats. So you can scroll down to where it says APA and then copy and paste that citation. You can also email the article to yourself and again, select that APA citation style. The PDF will be attached to the email and you would enter your email address here. Or if you just want to download the article and see it right now, you would click off to the side where it says PDF full text. And that way you can see the actual article, you can see whether the length of it meets your requirements and whether it's going to be good for you. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope you find the case studies that you're looking for. If you need help from a librarian, please know that we are here. You can give us a call at 413-775-1831. You can email us at reference@gcc.mass.edu, or you could chat with us during our open hours. If you click on this chat box in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you'll be able to chat with a librarian on the other end. So good luck with your assignment, and I hope you find what you are looking for.